Hello, my name is Emily Rose. The technology resource that I'm going to go show you guys today is called Canva. This website is a graphic designing platform that you can design so many different things. So the first thing you would want to do when you get onto Canva is to create your profile. As you can see, I already did that, but you can click on the profile box and account settings. You can change your username, password, your language that you're using, and your profession, so you can go more in depth about that. The next thing you will need to know is all about this sidebar right here that we will show you. So the first thing on the sidebar is home, and this has your quick access, and this has all the recent things you've been working on. So if you don't want to go all the way over here and click different things, you can choose that. You have create a design that goes in depth kind of about all the things that you can make and different options that you can choose from right here. So we can scroll over and you can make just a bunch of different ideas. Okay, so the next thing on the sidebar is called all your designs, and this just has the different designs that you have made, and you can click on them and go make copies, move to folders, download, all this that you can choose from, and this just has all your designs held right there so you can find them easily. Below all your designs is templates. So templates has the different templates for you to choose from, and it's organized by categories. So templates are basically ideas that you can choose from to kind of spark your mind, or you can use them and create something of your own and use those designs for that. You can also create presentations and flyers, business cards, infographics, business t-shirts, resumes, brochures, invitations. So you're not limited to anything on this. You have so many different options to choose from. So after that, the next thing on the sidebar is photos. Photos is a photo search bar to choose photos for your design. When you make an account, you can get 10 premium photos for free. Which says right there. So the thing I'm going to show you guys to search up is, let's see, home decor. This is really cool because I thought we had talked about it in class about making sure you're choosing photos that are free and not someone else's work. So you can choose between filter, free, and premium. So you can choose anyone out of here because they're free. You could click on them and heart them, save them for later, download them, or just directly use it into your design. You just click that and you will automatically go to the design you want to choose from. The next thing on here is print, and this just gives you a bunch of options to choose for. You can print the designs that you make. It does cost, but it is a really cool resource so that you don't have to go from different places to print your papers or flyers or anything like that. And so below print is called apps. Apps is really cool because you can look at different apps that are affiliated with this website. So my favorite one is called Bitmoji, and if you have Snapchat, you know what Bitmoji is because you usually have one. And you can just create yourself and put them in different scenarios so you can use that on your design. And I thought that was really cool, but there's a bunch of different kinds of apps that you can use. So after that is Brand Kit. Brand Kit basically has your brand logo that you can use. You can design it right here. You can also choose the brand colors that you are going to use and your brand fonts so that you have a place to keep all of your things and you don't have to keep creating the logo that you have. So it is very handy for if you were to have a business. Now, design school basically goes more into depth about Canva, gives you different options to do. It does cost, so be aware of that. Kind of watch out for stuff like that. But if you were to go deeper into Canva and want to learn lots more on how to create it like a pro right here, then you can go ahead and go into design school. So after design school is create a team. And this is my favorite part of this, because if you were to have a business or partners that you would like to work, you could add them by email address, and you can filter them if they're administrator or a member, and you can all work on the project or design that you have together. So below create a team is folders. Folders is where you can organize all your designs, just to make sure you have everything separated, so you can separate it between like your work, school, business, anything like that. So I thought that was really cool. Trash has the where your trash goes, but you do have 30 days to rescue them before they are removed. So this really is cool if you didn't mean to delete something, or you decide you want to go back work on a project that you didn't think you wanted to in the first place. Okay, so after this, we're going to do creative design, and we're going to give you guys a little example of how to do this. So what we're going to do is create a poster, because that's what I love to do. I like to put little quotes. So the design I want to choose is called Choose Happiness, and that's just what I'm going to put on my poster. It's not going to be anything crazy, but just to show you the works. So you can choose the photos that you have picked out, your elements, text, you can put videos, background, all that. But I'm just going to click on text, and this is just going to give me a bunch of different options. I think the one I want to choose is this one, actually. So we are going to delete that, and we are going to widen this up. And what I'm going to put is always choose, instead of jolly, we're going to put happiness. Always choose, we'll put love actually, because that will fit better. But you can make it bigger and smaller. And the cool thing about this is it automatically saves, so you don't have to worry about your project disappearing on accident. So this also has where you can choose your fonts. I just like to choose from there because it gives me cool little layouts to choose from. The size, the colors, boldness, italics, underline, all of that. You can click that if you want to delete something, as I did. And then when you do want to print, if you did, you can click that, download, present. So this just has so many different things for you to use. Now, I recommend Canva to everyone. You do not have to choose the Canva Pro. If you wanted to, of course, you could, but it is definitely not necessary. It does the job, and it is a lot of fun to use. So thank you so much.